We're at the MVE Corporation booth at MD&M West in Anaheim. MVE is known for its product demonstrations, and we want to show you 3 new demonstrations at the show. The first demonstration is of the wide range of magnetic switch sensors that are MRI safe and MRI correct. The sensors are encapsulated in hearts to reflect MD&M's medical theme, and because you'll love these sensors. A 2 millitesla sensor can be activated with a small ferrite magnet. A 300 millitesla sensor can't. Unlike other sensors, it won't turn off in a Tesla class magnet, so it's MRI correct. The 300 millitesla sensor can detect MRI fields. The second demo is a linear encoder syringe pump. A magnetic scale tape is attached to the syringe plunger. The sensor detects the scale tape magnetic poles and interpolates between the poles. This is very precise, with a resolution of 10 microns, or 1,000th of a milliliter for the 10 cc syringe. This type of sensor can inject precision into a variety of linear motion applications. The third demo shows an ultra-high sensitivity TMR magnetometer sensor compared to an inductive coil used for catheter navigation systems. TMR sensors have unmatched detectivity and ultra-high sensitivity. The sensor is using an inexpensive op-amp preamp. The coil needs an expensive preamplifier. The TMR sensor signal-to-noise is still much better. The cyan trace is the TMR sensor, and the yellow trace is the coil. We excite the sensor and coil with the stray field from a cell phone voice coil playing smooth jazz, since this is a cool sensor. Call, click, or email us for more information about these sensors or any other of NVE's exceptional products.